a small tip of the day about living in the present moment. Relax, deep breathe, inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Continue for some time till you are totally relaxed. Start from your toe. Take one part at a time. Stretch it and release it. Relax. Then take another part. Then other. This way you should relax your whole body. Be in your body. When you are totally relaxed, be in your body. Bring your attention in the present moment. When you are in the body, you are in the present moment. Feel from inside what's going on in your mind, what you are thinking, and try to remain most of the time in the present moment. Inhale for the count of 5. Inhale joy, love, health, hope. Exhale tension, stress, anger, jealousy. And when you are free from all these tensions, you will feel relaxed. When you are totally relaxed, then you try to keep your mind in the present moment. Your ideas should be under your control. You should allow only those ideas which are relating to present moment. When thoughts about future and past come, gently bring back your attention in the present moment. Live in the day-night compartment. Live one day at a time. Don't think of tomorrow. Don't think of past. So most of the time, be in the present moment, because life exists in the present moment. Affirm in your mind, this is the day which God has made. I shall rejoice and be glad in it. So affirm such type of thoughts and be present in the moment. Repeat, attention here and now. Attention here and now. Be present in this moment. This way you can be aware of the present moment most of the time. If any idea about living in past and future comes, gently bring it back and live a wonderful life in the present moment. I hope you like this video. Please like, share or subscribe and subscribe करिए. Thank you very much.